What's happening, everybody? About to make a hit at Houston, or as wait for it.
That BMW X3 gets 11:43, trapping 118. Up next, we got a nice little Hellcat lineup right here.
Hoping she hooks. Running Chris. This will be a very close race. Oh, a red lit 001. Are you kidding me? Red light on a 001. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. That just means she's running good. Oh, he is going to light me up over that. I know it. I just know it. Oh, what kind of dummy hit was that? I have never 001 red lit. Hang on, I got to take my ass chewing here. Hang on. I knew you were going to say 001? What is a 001 red light? You got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh.
It's real, bro.
Hey, the contraption's showing a 1020 on my side. I gotta pull the slip. I don't know what I ran.
Okay.
You gonna weigh yours?
If it's open, yeah,
Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna go get a weight real quick. Oh, I knew I was. You cannot red light any like a 1,000th of a second slower, and it would have been a perfect light. Hang on, let's get a weight. All right, well, the scales aren't working. Contraption showing a 1020. Have no idea what the car ran, so we will get back and I will put what the car ran in the description below. Hey, you.